Boy, they are stout. Yeah, that fish is bigger than I thought it was. Gonna have to net him.
So I'm here this morning, Friday morning. It's about 60 degrees out, about the third week of October, with my buddy Dana, and we are just getting ready to put in at Lake Lanier here. Finally made it down to see if we can get on a few spots. I don't think I've ever caught one before. Maybe a chance at a striper, but nobody here at the boat launch, which is good. We'll have things to ourselves here. Still got a little time left before it gets daylight, but that's all right. We're gonna give her a shot. At this particular time of daylight, you can start catching spots.
Sure. In fact, I mean, you might as well go ahead and start getting your.
See that beautiful cast?
So I'm gonna get my camera deal set up, and if it's in your way, let me know. I usually set it right here.
It's in my way. No, I have watched enough of your videos to know that they'll follow us right up to the boat.
The wind is gonna blow us that way, so I want to go against the wind. So I'm just gonna move us
Isn't that a Seeger song?
against the wind.
That was kind of funny saying we an accurate cast, knowing that I'm using a rod that I'm very inefficient at.
Oh, I'm in the tree, damn it.
All right, I think I got that on film.
If you're not in the trees once in a while, you're not fishing in the right area. Normal.
That cast there, that could probably be referred to as a Randy cast, where I was horning in.
Right there is a perfect cast, though, for catching one. You got to get it in there. See? On down past the tree here, I caught one here a couple days ago. There! Jeez. That's a good one there. Watch. That scared the crap out of you?
No,
Scared the crap out of me. Man, he exploded on it. All right, well, mission accomplished. That's
little pounder. My very first, that's a spot, right?
Yep.
First spot on Lake Lanier. Pretty stoked about that.
I feel like I did my job as a guide.
Even the geese are approving. All right, folks, I got my first stick fish. It's a pretty good one too. Hoping Dana can get in there and get it.
Well, let's hope I don't end up in the water. Gonna have to get that off the line. Push it out.
That is one hell of a... I think that's an oak spot.
Like that, if you can get it up in there.
Not like that.
It's harder than it looks.
Son of a bitch. I'm missing out on a lot of fishing getting over this learning curve.
Oh, there he is. It's a good one too. This might be a net. Oh, I don't want to lose him. It's a doozy. That's a good spot.
He's over 3, ain't he?
Oh, easy. Yeah. That might be pushing 4. That's a nice one. Nice spot. Beautiful fish. I love the colors on them. They're more colorful than a largemouth. Beautiful fish. Okay. We're both on the board now. See, now that fish didn't hit it nearly as hard as your fish did.
So Randy replied, he says, well done, we're finally going to find out if Dana's as good of a fisherman as he seems to be. If CJ catches bass after bass, and I'm really going to doubt that Dana has any kind of special fishing powers.
Hell, I don't claim to be anything but a dude who likes to fish. We're gonna go this way. Another good one too. It's a big old largemouth, I believe. Yeah, it's a largemouth. It's a good largemouth too. Oh yeah, that's a good largemouth. Largemouth is a little bit more rare here on Lanier. Predominantly spots. That's a nice one. Nice, I'd say that's 3. Something like that. Nice largemouth. Boy, they are stout. Yeah, that fish is bigger than I thought it was. Gonna have to net him. See all the bait he set up?
Yep.
Well, that one's approaching 3. Boy, that's another solid. That might be 2.5. This is a nice fish, though. It's a good fish. Beautiful. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Out here this morning on a Friday morning. I'm fishing with, let me redo that. I didn't have this camera on. Oh, he hit me. Damn.
Yeah, I'm on you.
Yeah. Yeah, his fish hit it right.
I did that on purpose.
I'm glad to see those good fish, though. Jeez. Well, every time I come out here lately, there's been some good ones. go fish the other side of this here.
That one cooperated a little bit.
Yeah, this is a pretty reliable spot here for a few fish. Pretty unusual not to get a bite or two. Normally I would have caught one by now. Oh, I like to see all those big fish. That's a nice fish. Nice spot. So I got CJ down here from Ohio. Wanted to put him on some spots, and this is the second one of the day for him. It's a nice one too. It's a good spot. Case in point. Boy, he hit it pretty good too.
Yeah, he did smack it hard.
Yeah, you know, the fish is approaching 2 pounds.
I'd like to take a moment to personally thank Dana from FCP Fishing on taking the time to get me out there on Lake Lanier for the first time ever. First time in Georgia, first time on Lake Lanier, and I'm pretty sure those were the first spotted bass I've ever caught in my life. But anyway, thanks for seeing the lighter side of being out there on Lake Lanier. And for Dana tolerating me with all the snags and the bird nests and everything else. But had a super time, and I strongly encourage you, if you're not subscribed to Dana's channel, to check him out. This guy really knows how to catch fish. Anyway, thanks for joining me here today on Schick Happens. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, cheers.